Join us today at Disney's Blizzard Beach water park, and we're going to be hanging out at the kids area called Tikes Peak. It was a blast.
You can't get under that one, you silly.
And look at this tall fella on the left I bumped into. It's Love Family Productions. What an awesome family. You should totally go check out their channel.
Awesome. Go down that one, Luca. We're ready. Sit down. Hey, not going too fast. Awesome, Luca! That was awesome, buddy.
That looks like fun. Tell Daddy what you thought of the ride. I filled my mouth and then in my eye. Good job.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, do it again. Go, Luca! Going up the summit, Luca.
Wow, why is that? That would keep you safer. Here you can slide under, right? Well, why is that? Well, I could, but it's okay. I'm fine.
How do you like the summit ride?
Awesome.
Oh, good, honey.
Mommy, why you can't fall down? Well, technically I could, but I'm just sitting back like a good girl. You're being a good boy. Look at those are fast. Oh my gosh. What one?
41 miles an hour, one of them went.
He's gonna go down there, he's gonna do 45.
He's in 52.
Oh my gosh, gotta watch that. Hey, I like how you can ride up like this.
Sit back.
Hey, tell Dad, are you scared? I'm not. You're not?
Awesome.
It's fun? Yeah. Cool. And with just riding over, you can do a skid or not. Okay.
Sit back, honey.
Whoa,
Luca! Awesome! Whoa! 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 Here we go, Luca! Wow! Whoa! Oh, I don't like being backwards. Awesome, buddy. How was it? How many thumbs up? 10! Wow!
Thanks so much for watching. Please, if you haven't already, like, and if you want to watch some more of these videos, subscribe. We got lots more content coming your way.